to create a quick video here showing what the system is doing within Nina. I have just a really simple sequence here that I'm stress testing it for about an hour, where I just open the dome, rotate it, close the shutter, rotate it, and then I find home and disconnect the equipment. And I just kind of keep doing that over and over for about an hour to see what's happening. You can see here I've got a video of it, as well as the EZdome running. Um, I'm going to go ahead and start the sequence here, and it should go ahead and connect. We'll see if it does everything it should do here. I'm kind of surprised it's jumping through the sequence there and not waiting for it to actually rotate. What I'm finding is it starts to open. You can see it's showing opening over here too, which is correct. But it tends to hang when I get done here. So it's going to finish over here in EZdome correctly. But this sequence will never finish. I mean, this instruction set. So essentially, I just get stuck there on opening. And I did go out and confirm that this thing is actually triggering and hitting the stop well before it hits the end limit. Might disappear here visually, but it will trigger right here correctly that it's hit it. There, it hit it. So it says it's actually at the stop. It is at the stop, but this guy over here just never stops on the open or the close. Same here if I jump through and just go to close. Skip these instructions. And that's something else. I'm not sure if that's going to cause an issue, but normally the dome waits for the sequence here waits for the action of slewing to happen before it moves on to another instruction. And here it's just saying slew to whatever degree and then move on. So I'm not sure how that's going to interact with actual night sequences of imaging. I'm not sure if there's an ASCOM feature that is waiting for the actual dome to settle. Anyway, we'll see if it comes down here. So it says it's closing. And we are lined up with the correct degrees as things are moving. Seems like everything's working and functioning as it should. And we definitely hit the stop there, and now it says open, but we never do get out of this closed dome shutter state. So that's probably the biggest thing from right now that I saw from just trying to implement it live. There was a couple other features I saw that kind of were causing an issue. One of them was these delays. If I took this delay out, for example, you stop this sequence, and I just connect equipment and slew, it didn't wait for it to connect. It just jumped right through, and it never did slew. It says it ran the instruction, but I think because without the delay, it was happening too quickly and not quite connected, that it just jumped past the instruction. So that's why I've added these 5-second delays, just to make sure that it's finishing. But I think there is something there about the wait period between the two. But definitely this open and closing shutter just it's never going to work inside of a sequence. And with my safety recovery stuff, where it might open and shut all night long based on the safety, it just would never it would never be something that would work right now. So hopefully that helps. Um, Thanks.